मैं सैदपुर नगर क्षेत्र में इंटरनेशनल स्तर की शिक्षा देने के उद्देश्य से मोतीलाल पब्लिक स्कूल सैदपुर गाजीपुर की स्थापना की है। स्थापना के पश्चात हमने नई शिक्षा नीति के तहत कंप्यूटर क्लासेज, फिजिक्स लैब, केमिस्ट्री लैब आदि की स्थापना की है।
Good morning, I am Alia of class 1. I joined in this school in UKG. I like our school very much. Our teachers are very friendly with us and they teach us very nicely. I feel very comfortable in my school than my home. Good morning, this is Sudiksha studying grade 5. I really enjoy my school time. Each and every day there will be new activities conducted by our teachers. They really encourage us to participate in all the activities and projects. We enjoy a lot in our sports, seminars and quiz. Every week we will be having our sports time in a huge ground which helps to refresh our minds. All the teachers motivate us in our tough times during exams and develop our learning skills. I really feel very comfortable of my presence in this school. I thank to all my lovely teachers for guiding us in a right way. Thank you.